In this video, I'm going to go over the alpha channel setting in the trace image window. If you are doing a print and cut project, you want the outline of the image so that you can print this and cut around it, okay? So to do that, let me go ahead and start a new page. Open your trace window and find your transparent PNG file. Okay, and then once you bring it in here, make sure that your use alpha channel when it's available, which it should be for all transparent PNG files. Now, sometimes you'll get a transparent PNG file that has a white background. I don't know why they call it transparent if it has a white background, but they are out there. Anyway, this one is transparent. So I'm going to click Update Preview. And as you can see, it cut out this between his legs and this here. And this is exactly what I want. And I also want to add the image layer that I traced. So I'm going to go ahead and click OK. And it's going to place them here in a group. So I need to ungroup them. And then I have my trace and my print image. Now if I come over here to my style panel, which is the fourth icon down on the right, and you will see that this is set to print and cut print already for you. And this one is set to print and cut print. Okay, so that's nice that it does all that for you. And then you can select both, come back to position and size, to selection, and line them back up vertically and horizontally. All right, so let's go back to the PNG file. And I had some other stuff going on here. Okay, so for a print and cut project, now I know I already went over this, but I wanted to show you that if I go ahead and trace this, just the outside for the print and cut project, and I choose OK, and then I import that same PNG file with the transparent background. It has to have a transparent background, okay? And I go to my trace window, you can see that they're both the same traces. This one's just overlapping that one, that's why it looks like that. But so if you have a transparent PNG file that you're going to use for print and cut, there's no need to trace it, okay? Just make sure that it is set over here in your style panel. If I ungroup this and I choose the image, then make sure it's set to print and cut print, and then if I choose the trace lines, then it needs to be set to print and cut, and you're ready to go. You can, you know, get rid of this one, but you can go ahead and take this into your cut settings and cut it, okay? All right, so you might ask, why would I need to trace a PNG file then at all? Well, you may have a scenario where you just want to trace a certain color. So, you know, let's just say I wanted to trace that. I'll untick this and choose, well, actually I'm going to trace a couple more colors. So if I have this ticked, it'll ask me if I want to continue. Yes. I'll double click here and then I'll choose this red. Okay. Want to trace more? Yes. Double click here and choose his brown and choose OK. And I think there's about 3 or 4 different greens of him, so I'm not going to go through all that. You get the point. You can trace by color a PNG file, a transparent background, PNG file, you can also trace by color, right? So if I choose OK and then I choose no, then you can see that I have traced what I have traced, all right? And again, you want to go to your style panel and make sure you want to ungroup these, and you want to make sure that this is set to print and cut print, and these are set to print and cut cut, okay? And then you're ready to take it in and, you know, go to your cut settings and send it to your machine and print and cut, okay? So that was just a couple of more things, and I think that is it. So thanks for watching.